Looking for a fun kids craft this summer? How about some tie-dyed t-shirts using Sharpie markers? So easy. Okay, today I have my granddaughter Haley with me, and we're going to do some Sharpie tie-dye art. And this is so much fun, and you don't have to worry about all that messy dyes, right? And covering your hands. You just do it with Sharpies. You need the 91% alcohol in a spray bottle, not watered down or anything, some kind of a white t-shirt, and we're just going to start making some really pretty designs. Now, to keep the dye from going through to the back of the t-shirt, I'm just going to take a baking sheet and we're going to open this up and just put it right through here. Now you could use pizza pan or any kind of thing, and that just helps the dye from going underneath. So we're going to tuck everything under. And to make it nice and tight, I pulled together the back side and put a rubber band around it. And then we can flip it back over and it's easier to mark on with the Sharpie markers. Haley is looking up some patterns on Pinterest. But we have found on Pinterest all kinds of really neat designs. So I'll leave that link in the description box. But she's going to demonstrate for you some of the designs, and then once she gets it completely covered, we just spritz it with the alcohol and it starts to spread. So Haley, I'm going to let you start drawing. Okay. And here is a pack of Sharpies I picked up at Walmart for $10. So you've got all the different colors there. We'll let you get started. So Haley chose to do her designs really big, and it looked beautiful once it was complete. I worked on smaller designs, filling in, but you just take your Sharpie markers and just draw doodles all over your t-shirt. And so it's really easy. This is great for any age, and we really liked following those patterns. Now here we are finished. She did go around the collar, and this is her design, and then this one was my design. I picked a little bit smaller. So now we just take the alcohol and spritz, and you really soak it with the alcohol, so it just starts spreading within just a few seconds. And it will spread and spread as long as it's wet. It keeps the colors keep spreading across the t-shirt. It's really amazing to watch. All right, now I'm going to do mine, and I really liked my collar. I just did a series of yellow, blue, and green dots, and then I started again with spraying all of the little things that I drew, and it just gets bigger and bigger and looks so pretty. So it is such an easy craft. Now here is Haley's. It's still wet, but look how everything's spread, and there is mine. We just had a ball with this. It was so much fun. Now, when my grandson got to the house, he was like, I want to make one. So he went to town doing his own kind of designs, and he had a great time. So this is a fun craft for kids, preteens, and even teenagers. And then he sprayed his, and it spread. He's got some really unique designs, and his little smiley face stayed intact. So that's an idea if you wanted to do smiley faces. And here's our finished t-shirts. Aren't they pretty? Look how great they look. They were so excited. We let those air dry. Now he let his colors bleed into the back, and I really like that idea. That looks great. Now I even let my little grandsons do this, and they did their own designs. They didn't want to follow my patterns, which is fine. I let them draw, and under adult supervision, of course. I let them spray. I stayed right there with them to make sure they didn't spray it in their eyes. But it's such a fun craft, a great craft for little sleepovers or birthday parties, and see how theirs turned out. They were so tickled at this craft. So we had a great Saturday making these, and I hope you'll give them a try. It was so much fun. And y'all, I am thinking rope bowl. I'll keep you posted on that. Y'all, thank y'all for watching. I hope you like this idea. Just leave me any questions below. Have a blessed day.